Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to delete your Lovoo account. So for that you open the application first. Now here you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left. Then tap on the setting on the top right corner. There inside the settings section you need to go to the app setting and click on my account. Inside my account page or the screen, you need to scroll down to the very end and you will see the option of delete account. You tap on that. Here you need to provide a reason for why you are leaving. You can choose any option from here. I'm just going to tap a random one and it will move to the further process. Tap on delete account. Now here you tap on delete account again. Please confirm the account deletion using the link that we have sent you via email. To delete your account, you need to go check your mail from the Lovoo. Tap upon the mail and there you need to tap on account deletion. This way it will get confirmed that you want to actually delete your account. Account deleted. From here your account for the Lovoo has been deleted. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.